Unit 1. Food, Chapter 1. Food and its digestion. Importance of food. We all need food to live. Food gives us energy to work. It also helps in the proper growth and development of our body. Food keeps us healthy. It also protects us from diseases. Eating healthy food keeps us fit. People eat different kinds of food in different parts of the world. The kind of food we eat depends on the following: the place where we live, the kind of plants and animals found near us, the climate of the place. We eat different types of food such as wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, and edible oils. We eat food in various forms, cooked or raw. We get our food either from plants or animals. We can classify food into different groups according to the requirement of our body. Food contains different substances which are useful to our body. These substances are called nutrients. Nutrients help us grow healthy and strong. Nutrients in food. The nutrients present in the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Food also contains roughage and water. Carbohydrates and fats are energy-giving foods. Sugar and starch are the two types of carbohydrates. Foods rich in carbohydrates are fruits, vegetables, cereals, sugar, bread, chocolates, sweets, etc. People who do a lot of physical work, like a laborer, a sports person, a farmer, etc., need a lot of carbohydrates to get energy. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. They also help to keep our body warm. Oil, butter, ghee, nuts, and fish contain fats. Too much fat is not good for our health. It makes us fat and obese. Our body stores extra fat for future use. Proteins. Proteins are the nutrients needed by our body to build muscles, to grow, and to repair the tissues. They are called body-building foods. Children must take food rich in proteins because their body parts need to get bigger. Pulses, peas, beans, cheese, eggs, fish, and meat are rich sources of proteins. Foods that are rich in proteins are called body-building foods. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are the nutrients which help our body to fight diseases. Minerals help us in the formation of teeth, bones, and blood. Some minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, iodine, and salt are essentially needed in small amount by various parts of our body. We get vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, and milk. Since vitamins and minerals help us to stay healthy and fit, they are called the protective foods. Roughage and water. Besides nutrients, fiber is also present in our body. It cannot be digested and also has no food value. But it is very important as it helps in removing the wastes and out of the body. All fruits and vegetables are rich in roughage. Water is so very important for our body to function properly. We must drink at least 5 to 7 glasses of water every day. It helps in digestion and maintain the body temperature. A balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and roughage in right proportion is called the balanced diet. Digestion of food gives us energy to work. To get energy, food has to be broken down into smaller substances that can be easily absorbed by the body. The process of breakdown of food into smaller particles that can be easily absorbed by the body is called digestion. Balanced diet. Digestion of food. The process of digestion starts from the moment we put food into our mouth. Our teeth bite and chew the food and break solid food into smaller pieces. As we chew, the saliva in our mouth mixes with the food. Saliva is a digestive juice produced by salivary glands in the mouth. The saliva converts insoluble starch into soluble sugar. From the mouth, the food goes through the food pipe or esophagus and passes into the stomach. Our stomach is a sac-like organ. The stomach, with its movements, breaks the nutrients into more simpler form by adding juices and passes this into the intestine. Proteins are digested in the stomach. The food in the stomach becomes like a thick soup and passes into a long coiled tube called the small intestine. In the small intestine, digestive juices from the liver and pancreas mix with the food and digest it. All the useful nutrients from the digested food are absorbed by the walls of intestine. The blood carries the nutrients to the different body parts. The undigested food goes into large intestine. The blood vessels in the walls of the large intestine absorb the extra water and minerals. The semi-solid waste is passed out through the anus. Food preparations, food can be eaten in raw or cooked forms. Cooking makes the food tasty, soft and easy to digest. Food can be boiled, fried, roasted, steamed and baked. Here are shown some materials of cooking food. To maintain the nutrients while cooking, we must do the following things. We should wash vegetables before cutting or peeling, as washing after cutting or peeling removes some of the vitamins and minerals. While boiling, we should take just enough water so that the water which has absorbed the nutrients is not thrown away. We should not throw away the water in which pulses are soaked. It should be used in cooking as it contains vitamins. Do not overcook or deep fry food. It destroys the nutrients. Use of too much spices also decreases the food value. Food preservation, if we do not store food properly, it gets spoiled. Therefore, we need to preserve it so that it may be used for some time. To preserve food means to protect it from the action of germs so that it may not get spoiled. There are various ways of preserving food, which are as follows. Plus, deep freezing meat, ice cream, vegetables and fish can be stored for a long time in a freezer at very low temperatures. Pickling and gelling. This is a method of preserving fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are mixed with salt and oil to make pickles. Fruits are also mixed with sugar to make jams and jellies to preserve them. Boiling. Milk is boiled and then cooled to preserve it for a day or two. Drying. Some food items such as grapes to get raisins and milk to get milk powder are dried to remove the water content. After drying, these food items can be stored for a long time. Refrigeration. The food is stored in refrigerators to preserve it for a day or two. We keep milk, cooked food and raw fruits and vegetables in a refrigerator. Canning. Sauces, jams and juices are stored in cans and bottles. Chemical preservatives are added to them to keep them fresh for a long time.